This hour is for you. It's about beautiful, youthful hair. It doesn't matter what age you are or what ethnicity. This is Aujon, and we're celebrating their 7th anniversary today. A very popular line here at the Shopping Channel. An amazing story that I've heard numerous times working with Dennis over the years. Every time I hear it, I stop and think, I can't believe you went through all that to discover this.
I still can't believe that I went through all that.
When you really think about it, it is absolutely amazing. And I just want to comment before we move on that Aujon is also very much a part of sustainability, the welfare of the land and people. They protect rainforests. They have scholarship funds, safety standards, new housing, schools, hurricane shelters. You've done a lot for the people in the community.
Every time you buy a product from Aujon, no matter the product, you're creating a job for these people in Central America. It's their tradition. I just became their spokesperson, really. I'm their chosen one, as they call it. Never thought in a million years I'd be here on TV.
I know, doing this.
And the line just keeps growing and growing. And I still remember, and it's funny because people ask me all the time. Actually, we'll get into this, then I'll get in. I do have a funny story.
Okay, well, we want to hear it. Just quickly, it's the Aujon Classic Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner.
It's back.
It is back.
Another one that's back.
And it's $39 for the two. I know we have a bit of information we're going to take a look at right now, and perhaps you can talk us through here.
So with this one here, it was the original thickening shampoo and conditioner that we launched back in 2004. It disappeared, went on vacation. You didn't like that, so we brought it back. It's been tweaked slightly. We wanted to test it, and you can see the results. 86% of women felt their hair was left looking fuller. Well, it's a thickening shampoo conditioner, so great. It's going to make your hair fuller. Once your hair is fuller, well, we're going to get body, and 86% of women felt it added body to their hair. The big one is 94% of women felt that their hair was conditioned. Well, normally that does not go hand in hand with thickening or volumizing.
Right, that's a good point.
It's the opposite, and that's what you wanted. You wanted it to be hydrating. It smells amazing, clean and green, the original fragrance, the original performance, the original color. It's all back. You asked for it. We're listening. Take advantage of it. Fine, thin, we care. If you have thick, coarse hair, this is not for you. This is for anyone out there. Women, men that have that fine hair looking to achieve more body, more fullness, more thickness to their hair. This will do it rapidly, instantly. We have the secret. This Aujon oil, these little nuts that you see, the mini coconuts, they're not just there for presentation. That is our active ingredient. Made by hand the indigenous way. That ingredient is like a miracle. It allows us to get into that hair shaft. We're putting back those lipids, some of the same lipids found in healthy virgin hair. In this case, with fine, thin hair, you need more than lipids. You need protein. So we brought in Peruvian amaranth. That gives us the right dose of protein to put to the hair shaft. When you do that, what happens? Your hair becomes thicker, fuller, more vitality, more elasticity, more bounce, and that's what you're lacking. A lot of men love this cleanser and conditioner, not just for the fragrance, because it does smell like a fresh-cut tropical grass. Best way to explain it. But it allows them to have that fullness that without the use of any styling products. You'll see that in the before and afters. The hair is not crunchy, it's not overstyled, it's not stiff. But imagine using this as the base, then you bring in your styling products over top. You've now made the hair fuller, you've given it more body, but you've treated it. You're not damaging it like most thickening products out there.
Fantastic.
And that's why you asked for it. It is back.
And it's the two today, full size for $39. Does the shampoo lather?
Yeah, you're going to get, but it's a very unique lather. Our cleansers and conditioners, we actually derive the surfactant from coconut. So the lather you're getting is a very dense lather, but it's not a big lather.
Right, okay.
It's just enough to lift the environmental stresses, the debris, the dirt, the oils off the scalp and off the root area right down to your ends. But it does not strip away color. It does not damage the hair like a lot of cleansers out there. This one, ideal. Color-treated hair, aging hair, anyone that has fine, thin, weak hair looking to achieve fullness. You can see this before and after. Using this product, no styling products, get a round brush or just flip your hair upside down and blow dry it. You'll be amazed at the results because we're not achieving it through buildup.
Yes. No, makes a huge difference.
This is a treatment for fine, thin hair. We can get into that hair shaft. So we know, and you've seen the clinicals up to this point, we know how to restore hair. We've been doing it since 2004. We perfected it, but we needed to start somewhere, and it was all because of this Ojon oil that I discovered in the rainforest back in the year 2000. And yes, I waited on it for 2 years before I brought it anywhere. I was a skeptic at start, so don't be a skeptic. It works. It is the cure.
And again, everyone, it's the Ojon Classic Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner, 250 ml in size. Retail value on this is $51, so it's also specially priced for the 7th anniversary. And feel free to multi-pack it in with your today's showstopper. Fantastic before and afters here, Gwen. Just watching you and the gals as we go along here. Beautiful. And no styling products in there.
No styling products. And going through on different hair types. You can see here with Kathy in the before how like her hair was beautiful, but it was really bling, really flat. It's because it's so heavy. Her hair is fine, but tons of it, which is one of the most difficult types of hair to style. But you can see in the after here how gorgeous the beautiful lift that she has, but her color also looks vibrant. It looks shiny, and that's because all the amazing essential hydration that's being added in as well.
What do you have to say to our senior friends who might be tuning in right now and, you know, upwards of in their 80s and thinking, okay, well, I have a completely different hair type. Would this help me?
Completely different. You might have before been able to achieve more volume, and then lately in the past few years you haven't been able to get that lift. And it's because the density of your hair changes, the texture of your hair changes, and it becomes more difficult to style. If you go in and you're actually amplifying each of the individual hair shafts and providing it with essential moisture and protein and nutrition to the hair, you're going to be able to achieve these looks as well.
Okay, fantastic. How often should we be washing and conditioning our hair?
If you use the right shampoo and conditioner, you really don't need to every day. I think that's probably actually one of the number one problems and mistakes that my clients make back at the salon is overwashing. And that's because a lot of times your shampoos might be like filled with lots of terrible fillers that are weighing your hair down, making it feel oily, clogging your scalp. If you use something like this, you probably could get away with only washing it a couple of times a week. But if you do have to shampoo every day because you are producing a lot of oil, you're not going to have to worry about this stripping your hair at all.
Okay, so it's gentle enough to do that.
Yep.
To be able to wash more every day if you choose. So $39, you can see quantities sold. Again, everyone, this is a $51 value. It's the Ojon Classic Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. We put them together. We lowered the price. It's a 7th anniversary. It's a great time to stock up. New season, let's take care of our hair. We focus a lot on skin here at the Shopping Channel. Hair is also so important.
It's an extension of your skin,
It
so
is, absolutely.
you need to treat it the same way.
Absolutely.
With that one there, I'm so proud that it's back. That's my favorite shampoo conditioner. Yeah, because it works instantly. You'll see unique results the first time you use it. It's not something with any of our products that you need to wait 30 days. That was the promise I made from the start. I don't want anybody to wait. If you have a concern, you have a problem, you want it solved instantly, that will give you fuller hair.
That's the way to go.